We are in Guwahati today at the 93rd Air Force Day, and what we are witnessing is the might of the Indian Air Force. You can see here on my left that the helicopter formations are coming in. All indigenous helicopters are, at display here at the 93rd Air Force Day. And also we saw a glimpse of the Tejas that just flew past us. That shows you the might, and this is happening in Guwahati on the banks of river Brahmaputra, the very river that comes from China, from Tibet to China to India and then Bangladesh. This river is witnessing the might of the Indian Air Force. The helicopters are going in beautiful formations and they are showing us the fireworks. We just saw the indigenous Tejas, and you can see the enthusiasm of the public. Thousands of people are here. They have been waiting since morning, and what we are showing you today in front of the statue of Lachit Borphukan, a hero that once fought against the might of the Mughal forces. And now you can see here the formation of the helicopters which are at display, the beautiful formations that they are showing and flowing just past the Brahmaputra river is the kind of display being shown here in Guwahati, Assam. And this is very significant because this is the particular region of Northeast India which shares border with China, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And the display here signifies the strength of the Indian Defence Forces, particularly the Indian Air Force, which is in full display here. They have displayed the might of the Indian Air Force, and wonderful formations are being maintained here that shows you this kind of development and advancement in the Indian Air Force of Total Armory. And we will see more and more formations and more fighter jets also going on. The Tejas just flew past. On my other side we are seeing the jet fighters coming in, and on my left the helicopters are coming. There are a lot of bases here within the northeast. Rafale jets are also coming here. They are being shown here, and what is very significant is the kind of attraction that the crowds that have come here. That shows you how people in the northeast, in Guwahati, are excited and cheer for their own defense forces. सर, आज गुवाहाटी में जो एक 93rd एयर फोर्स डे में एयर फोर्स का जो एक विशाल जो हमारा सेना से जो एक डिस्प्ले हुआ है, आप भी थे इस पूरे एक्सरसाइज में, आप जुड़े हुए हैं सर, थोड़ा हमें बताइए इसके बारे में.
Okay, so I am Squadron Leader Nishank Avasthi from the Sarang Helicopter Display Team of Indian Air Force, and we are really honoured to be part of the team that performed here on the occasion of 93rd Air Force Day display. And it's a really proud moment for all of us that we were able to execute our maneuvers and showcase our skills and professionalism, at the same time motivating the youth of Guwahati and the people of Assam.
Sir, in the northeast, the terrain is very complicated and the use of Air Force is very important. Yes. In these kind of exercises, do you think it instills the confidence among the public as well, and also among the armed forces, that we are here to protect our borders?
Yes, that is one of the main reasons that we do such displays, so that we can showcase our skills and our platforms to the nation, and at the same time we can motivate the youngsters to join the defense forces. That is the main reasons why we do such displays, and the response that we are getting here, it's really humbling. That the cheers of the crowd that we saw during the entire show, it makes us really feel good that a good job that we are doing here.
Sir, a lot of children are on the ground. They are very excited, and these kids from very remote parts of this northeastern regions are coming here to get a glimpse of this. How crucial it is for the nation building as well, sir?
it is very crucial. Such displays are really motivating people, and with us also, the people who were there on ground, a lot of people approaching us, and especially children were very excited to interact with us, and I feel that it's a very good thing that is happening, and must have had a very good impact on the people.
That's on your name and designation.
I am Squadron Leader Nishank Avasthi from the Sarang Helicopter Display Team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, today is indeed a historic day, not just for the Air Force, but also for the entire nation, because the kind of display that we have seen here by the Air Force has not just enthusiasted the common public, but even different fraternities. Even us journalists are very excited. So first of all, tell us today about today's showing, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank all the people of Guwahati who have come out today in very good numbers, as we can see, and made the organization of this event by the Indian Air Force a grand success. Apart from that, the events like these are meant to bring the Air Force close to the people of India, and having seen the kind of turnout today, I think it's a big achievement even for the Indian Air Force to have showcased all its equipment, aircraft on display here for the people of Guwahati.
Sir, Guwahati and Northeast is a complicated geography in terms of the terrain. As someone from the Indian Air Force, how challenging and how also exciting on your part to maneuver in these areas?
It is indeed very challenging, wherein you get all kind of terrains, right from almost sea level to heights of almost 15,000 feet.
Right.
But nevertheless, we train for that, and we are ready to handle all kind of challenges that are thrown at us.
Thank you, sir, for joining with us. So you can see here the kind of training and maneuvering that the Indian Air Force have, and to operate in a place like the Northeast, you need such similar trainings and maneuverings, and that has been the display here at the 93rd Air Force Day, wherein Tejas, Rafale, Hawks and other indigenous helicopters have all been displayed to show you the strength and the might of the Indian Air Force.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.